Hey Ross World, today we'll be talking about My Money Makes Money. We're talking about Robin in the Hood. Robin Hood investment app. Now, I spoke about this app previously in very short right here at this video, but I'm gonna get a little more in detail and it's not gonna be long. First of all, Robinhood is an investment app that has zero commission. When you go to other stockbrokers online or in their brick and mortar, they have a commission price anywhere from $4 to even sometimes $10 to trade stocks and buy stocks and sell them on the stock market on your behalf. Not Robinhood. Robinhood has zero, zilch, nada, nothing, donut. You pay absolutely nothing to buy stocks. No commission price. Also, there is no account minimum. These guys are not playing around. They're trying to get people motivated to invest, and so am I. So you should be investing your money. You can buy individual stocks and you can buy ETFs, exchange traded funds. Okay? You can buy both through Robinhood at zero the amount. Now, in my opinion, there's two drawbacks to Robinhood. One, their website has no functionality of you going online and actually starting your account, okay? You have to download their app, either the Google Play Store or the iTunes Apple Store. So you have to download the app. That's the first thing. There's no true functionality or option of going online and starting your account. You have to do it through the app. The only information they pretty much provide on the website is some general information, okay? So that's the first drawback. The second drawback is when you want to research the stock that you're about to put your money into, they have a really low budget way of trying to get you information, okay? In my opinion, it's low budget. The app does not offer enough analytical and statistical data to help you to feel confident about a particular stock that you want to put your money in. This video right here, I have some options for you to go and download and actually do research on apps. The big question that people have about Robinhood is, how do they make their money? Now, they make their money through margin leading interest and interest on any uninvested customer cash deposits. Now, that's according to some sources, and they haven't really gotten to that yet, but they will, okay? The margin interest rate will be about 3.5%. Now, in comparison to other leading brokerage firms, that's really, really low. So don't worry about losing too much money in that department. They had to make some money, but guess what? Everything else is absolutely free. And if you invest all your money, they cannot take the 3.5% of money that you already have invested. We're talking about the money that you just have sitting in your account. You're probably kind of waiting for the market to dwell either up so you can buy high interest stocks that may give you dividends, or when some stocks fall in price, but you know that stock is going to be around for a long time, you're just trying to save a couple of bucks and actually buy more stocks. That's a marketing strategy where you may see someone like Tesla. In the past 2 weeks, Tesla has fluctuated a big margin. I remember maybe last week it was 280. Then the other day it was 270. Now it's 250. Guess what, guys? Tesla's not going anywhere. So a lot of market buyers, they're looking at the market and they're going to buy it up when it hits back to 250, maybe 240, and they know they're going to make some money. And that also goes for day traders. They make money all day, but that's all they pretty much do. If you have a regular job like me, you don't have time for all that. Another big question that people ask, they ask, when can I get my money out? Okay, now first of all, you know my slogan, keep your money in there and let it grow. You want your money to make money. You invest into those stocks that have dividends and you have your dividends to be reinvested. That way it's making more money. Now, just in case you need that money, yes, just like any other brokerage account, any other bank, it's going to take you about 3 to 5 days to get that money. So understand that process. So pretty much that's the basis of Robinhood. It's a really well-designed app, really easy to go through, but let me really hit on some key points here. Zero commission for buying and selling individual stocks and also ETFs. Secondly, there's no minimum account balance, and then there's no annual fee. And be very cognizant of Robinhood Gold, which give you a credit line up to $2,000 I prefer not to do that. Only spend the money you have in your account. Whether it be a one-time transfer or reoccurring transfers every month. And speaking about transfer, there's zero fees on transfer, whether it's in your Robinhood account or out your Robinhood account. Zero. And lastly, the two things I don't like. Robinhood virtually does not provide any research data for you to research and see analytics on the stocks that you'll be investing your money in. Then secondly, they really have no desktop or web support. The only support you really have is through an app. Hopefully this was helpful. Look at those videos that I'm gonna post. This is Ross World. My money makes money. I'm out.